In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make a TikTok video post private. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So a couple different ways. First option would be to actually go on the video itself on your profile page, select the three-dotted icon under the favorites button, and then scroll over until you get to the privacy settings padlock icon. You can select where it says who can watch this video. You can select everyone, friends, or only you, and then you just click out of here to save it. So that's one option. Something else you could try here as well would be to select the hamburger icon in the top right and select settings and privacy. Select where it says activity center under content and display. Scroll down and select where it says manage post visibility. On this list, go ahead and locate the video you want to set the privacy settings for, and then select next. You can select only you, and you would select update, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.